Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Samsung slide-in electric wrench. First, turn off the electricity and start removing an old wrench. Unplug the power cord. And now I can start unboxing the new wrench. Before starting an installation, you need to remove protective plastic. A manual and some of the parts will be inside the oven. If you have any questions about the installation, always refer to the installation manual. Before installing the power cord, you need to remove an access cover. This is 3-wire cord and this is 4-wire cord. The wrench does not come with the power cord, you need to buy it separately, but before buying you need to determine which outlet you have in your kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install 3-wire and 4-wire power cords. Start installing the strain relief. When the strain relief is installed, now you can start fishing the power cord through the strain relief. When all 3 lower terminal screws removed from the terminal block, now you can start installing the wires. When the power cord is installed, now you can start tightening the screws on the strain relief. Start reinstalling the access cover. And now I'm gonna show you how to install 4-wire cord. When you install the strain relief and fished your power cord through the strain relief, you can start connecting the wires to the terminal block. The installation of the 4-wire wrench cord is very simple. Connect red wire to the red one, green wire to the green terminal screw, white to the white, and black to the black. When all wires are connected to the terminal block, start reinstalling the access cover. If you don't have anti-tip bracket, install it. It is included with your wrench. Plug in the power cord. check the level of your wrench. If the spirit level indicates that the wrench is not level, adjust the leveling legs with the wrench. Remove all stickers and the protective plastic. Turn on the electricity. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.